So Harshita, as a parent, you yourself, what advice do you have for other parents out there who may be considering enrolling their children to the world of coding classes or to the world of AI? What is that one piece of advice?
Yeah, so like my advice will be like to encourage your child's curiosity about technology. So they are very much curious in asking so many questions. So they see many things around them. So try to answer them and also start with some free resources and workshops to see their interest, like if they're interested in that. And like we should also remember like coding is not just programming, it's developing their problem solving skills and creativity. So these two skills are valuable in any field that they choose in the future. So we need to nurture these two skills.
Great. What are your future plans and goals for expanding learning for fun zone and reaching more young learners?
Yeah, so looking ahead, actually, we plan to expand our curriculum to include more emerging technologies like AI and even robotics. And we are also working on partnering with schools to integrate coding into their regular curricula. So already we have many things related to computer and technology in school, but we also try to integrate these things like AI also in the schools. And our goal is to create diverse communities. So online, this is an online community. So we want it to go beyond. So as it is online, so it is beyond boundaries. So anyone in India can connect with anyone with UK. So we already have a community and it is flourishing and kids are really enjoying and sharing their projects in this community. And I want this coding education to be accessible to all children. So irrespective of their background or even resources. So I'll try to add all the kids be irrespective of their backgrounds into this one coding adventure club community.
Awesome, awesome.